In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to arrange the position of a video in Canva, including how to move it, layer it, resize it, rotate it, and perfectly align it inside your design. If you're creating presentations, social media content, YouTube intros, or marketing videos, knowing how to control video positioning in Canva is essential for clean, professional results. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Canva tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your Canva project and navigate to the page that contains your video. To begin arranging your video, you need to select it. Simply click directly on the video element on your canvas. Once you click it, you'll see a border appear around the video, along with corner handles. This means the video is now active, and the editing toolbar at the top will display options related to that selected element. Selecting the video is important because none of the position or alignment tools will work unless the element is active. Now, let's move the video freely around your canvas. With the video selected, click and hold your mouse button, then drag the video wherever you want it to appear. You can place it on the left side, right side, center, or anywhere that fits your design. If you want to resize the video, use the corner handles. Click and drag a corner inward to make the video smaller or outward to make it larger. This keeps the proportions consistent. If you need a more customized shape, you can also adjust the side handles, but typically the corners are best for maintaining the correct aspect ratio. To rotate the video, look for the rotate icon, which appears as a curved arrow near the element. Click and drag that icon to tilt the video to any angle you like. This is especially useful for dynamic, creative layouts. Next, let's talk about alignment tools, which are extremely helpful for precise positioning. With your video still selected, go to the top toolbar and click on Position. Inside this menu, you'll see alignment options. Under Align, you can choose Align Left, Center, or Align Right. These options instantly snap your video to the exact horizontal position you select. You'll also see vertical alignment options, such as Align Top, Middle, and Bottom. These allow you to position your video perfectly along the vertical axis of your canvas. This feature is especially helpful when you want to center a video perfectly on the page, place it neatly inside a structured layout, or create symmetrical designs. Instead of manually dragging and guessing, the alignment tools ensure everything is pixel perfect and professional. Using these move, resize, rotate, and alignment tools together gives you complete control over your video's position in Canva. You can layer it creatively with text, images, or graphics, and fine-tune the placement in just seconds. And that's it. You now know how to arrange the position of a video in Canva quickly and accurately. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.